coming live from my den.
Can't you tell?
His hat's gone. Yeah. It's been a while since we've done a VHS thing. So we have a VHS thing. What do we have?
A bunch of VHS things. In a box.
Sometime back, my sister and I were out looking for stuff. And I found a place that had a crate of VHS tapes that were X dollar, whatever, how much a piece. And I asked her if there was like a price on the whole thing. So I just bought the whole plastic crate. And I didn't even look to see what was in. All I did was see just a couple that were on top. I don't remember what they were. There's one video under this towel that I know what it is. I've tried really hard to not look at this and spoil it.
And I haven't looked at all.
No.
Because I wasn't there.
So we're putting a lot of energy into a bunch of old VHS tapes that may or may not work. But it's fun. So
drum roll.
we have You're going to find out with us what we have in this crate. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Okay. The first one, I'm going to start.
The one that you know is in there?
The one I know that's in here is the very one on the very end. Entrapment. If you have not seen that, I had it for quite a while. I never watched it, but I finally did, and it's actually really good.
Made you look. And Dances with Wolves. Have not seen it.
This one, which is usually a pretty good idea, Kiss the Girls. I've never heard of it, so we'll see if it's any good.
I think it's a good idea.
What, you don't want to do it?
Unfaithful!
Hey, it's got
That looks interesting.
Morgan Freeman and Ashley Judd. This is worth watching. At least once.
Ooh, you already have this one.
You just went twice.
I know. Jerry Maguire. That's a good one.
She's cheating.
Well, that other one wasn't a very good movie, so.
Where Jesus Walked.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, this is a classic. Miss Congeniality.
And 2 weeks notice. How do you beat Grant and Bullet?
With Hope Floats.
Dude, these are good.
These are really good.
Harrison Ford, Clear and Present Danger. I've not seen this one either.
Ooh, Harrison Ford, Air Force One.
Ooh. Michael Douglas, Kathleen Turner, Danny DeVito, Jewel of the Nile.
The what?
Jewel of the Nile. So it's like an Arabian.
Kind of like that
Kinda-
one movie.
Yeah, kind of.
Hey, it's Grease. Classic. Ooh. It's a really good one.
Awesome.
I really like this box so far.
Patrick Swayze, Next of Kin. And I'm really ashamed to say how many of these I had not seen.
Yeah. Breakdown. It could happen to you. Not that kind of breakdown.
Men in Black. I have it, but now I have another one, and that makes me happy.
The Substitute.
Dude. We're all adults here. And it looks like we are in uniforms. We do not match. They're not the same shirt. She just tried to look like me. Scent of a Woman, Pacino.
This is a long title. Snowy River, the McGregor Saga, aka The Race.
There's actually a really respectable amount of VHS tapes in this, because there's not just the top layer and one row, but there's like 2 rows. This is good. Danielle Steele's Mixed Blessings. Not sure. We'll have to check it out.
Ooh, John Wayne, Angel and the Bad Man.
Ooh, Rob Lowe and others in Class. Looks a little risque. From Rated R, 1983.
Ooh. Now you see him, now you don't. Mr. Super Invisible.
Pro football. Something I'm not going to much use out of.
Let me see it.
A 2-tape set. Pro football. Boom.
It's about funnies. It's funnies.
Ooh, the lighter side and funnies. Okay, this is
It's like
good.
football bloopers.
Bloopers are good. Bloomers are good.
Executive decision. Bum bum bum.
Dr. Doolittle. Good old Eddie Murphy.
Ooh, cartoon. Popeye and Friends. Can you do Popeye?
No, I can't. I'm not even going to do
Joey,
it.
you were not.
So we just got this somewhere else. Even though we already had this, but we didn't look through the crate. But now we have 2 copies of it. I've never seen it.
Oh. I was going to hope it was You've Got Mail.
Sarah!
Hey.
Dun, dun, dun.
Plain and tall. I'm not plain or tall.
Well, you one up too. Okay.
This is called The Cutting Edge.
Now this is cool. Stallone and Stone. What's it called? Hits. The Specialist. Right there.
This is called Lethal Weapon 2. Have you heard of it?
Okay. Police Story with Jackie Chan.
Look.
This is cool. And another
Jerry Maguire.
That
So
means
you
I've
have
got like 4 copies. 3 or 4
copies.
copies. Okay. Paparazzi. It's got producer Mel Gibson.
Dante's Peak. Haven't heard of it, but looks interesting.
Harrison Ford in Sabrina.
Whoever had this liked Harrison Ford.
Whoever had this had good taste.
The Station Agent.
Holy heck. Young Guns. That looks good. I think I've seen it, but it's been a very long time, so I can't say for sure.
This looks scary. Armageddon. I don't think I want to watch that one.
We know that Armageddon's actually really pretty good.
It looks scary.
It is good. I think I have it actually in the closet still.
Okay.
So I know a lot of you get into VHS tapes and movies really get into them.
Mm-hmm.
What?
I'm trying not to peek while you're talking.
Really get into them. So if you have any thoughts, opinions, reviews, anything like that, then let us know what you think. And if there's any we need to watch sooner or gift out or something, because if I have one I'm not attached to, I will mail it to whoever wants first dibs on it. And Mac from Mac at the Movies, if you're watching this,
There's some movies.
let us know if you know any of these.
Pretty Woman.
Maybe we'll send you some for
Walking
review.
down the street. Pretty Woman. Is that how it goes?
Kind of.
Okay.
Iron Eagle 3 pieces.
Sniper.
History of the Super Bowl as it was in 1988. It's not new. It's not current. But it's still historical.
Aaron Brockovich with Julia Roberts.
Isn't it Brockovich?
I thought it was Brockovich.
I think it's Brockovich.
If you know the answer, let us know.
There's a C before the K.
Brockovich.
Not a B-R-O-K-E. Oh. She might be broke too. She could be a broke rock. I don't know.
Anywho. Two
Look!
of them.
Aaron Brockovich and Aaron Brockovich. We got both copies, y'all.
And Stallone. Cliffhanger.
Grand Canyon, The Hidden Secrets.
Ooh, I want to watch that. Oh, this one. It Could Happen to You with Nicolas Cage.
I'm so excited right now.
Why?
Speed!
The need.
You've
for
seen this,
speed.
right? We've watched this? You haven't seen this
It's
one?
too stressful.
It's such a
But it has
good
Sandra
show.
Bullock in it.
Yeah,
so-
they're awesome. Especially her.
Hey, and we talked about watching this tonight already.
We did.
Twister. Classic.
I've heard of this one. I haven't seen it. Two of a kind. Travolta. And
Hell yeah.
Olivia Newton-John.
I'm so excited for this one. Happy Gilmore.
Woo! Sean Connery, so that's probably good. Finding Forrester.
Don Knotts, the shakiest gun in the West.
Clint Eastwood, Charlie Sheen, The Rookie. That should also be really good. Man,
Ooh,
so many I haven't
Keanu Reeves,
seen.
Morgan Freeman, Chain Reaction.
And whatever your thoughts on this, I don't know if it's a split thing or not. It probably is. But Shanghai Noon, it's actually quite comical. It's probably not modern PC. Don't really care. I think it's a good one.
This one, Jesus. It's fascinating, a vivid portrayal.
Ben Affleck and Gwyneth Paltrow. Bounce.
Ooh, Apollo 13. That's Tom Hanks. There's so many movies in here.
David Jansen, Fer de Lance. Fer de Lance?
For the Lance.
Fer de Lance. Terror strikes the trap crew with a crippled sub. Probably pretty good.
This is Are You Being Served? More laughter in store with 3 comedy classics. 3-in-1 deal.
Okay. Tommy Lee Jones, Volcano. The Coast is Toast. Clever.
Return to Snowy River. Classic. Have you seen it?
Heard of it.
It's a Disney movie.
I might have seen it when I was a kid. And Lethal Weapon 3.
To go with Lethal Weapon 2.
And Lethal Weapon that I have already in the closet.
Nora's Hair Salon.
No way. And this is killing me.
It's not even open.
It's not open, and that means I either have to open it or not watch it. Oh.
I've never seen it.
What? Such a good one. Roadhouse. Classic Swayze.
Oh, yeah. Independence Day.
Good one. Still.
Haven't watched it.
Ron Brown, Tom Jackson, Oliver Tobias, Richard Harris. Grizzly Falls.
This one's not open either. And it's got Mel Gibson.
But I have that one.
Forever Young. You do?
I don't think I have a copy of Roadhouse. I have that on DVD.
Why haven't we watched it?
I don't know. I watched it not that long ago.
I've never watched it.
Fine.
Last one.
Julia Roberts, Sleeping with the Enemy.
Ba-bum.
Not typically a good thing to do.
But that's it. It's all gone.
That's it.
No more.
Empty.
That's a lot of movies.
That's pretty good. And these are legit.
How many movies do you think were in there?
My side is 2, 4, 6, 7, 28.
Mine aren't as
Okay.
organized as his, but there's about 30.
Should be more. I've got 36.
Yeah.
Which means she guessed.
Yep. I'm not good at math.
I started and finished, so I'll have one more than you. So you should have 35.
But I did 2 at one time.
That's true. So 36 and 36 is
72.
very good. We are going to sign off. But before I go, if you have any VHS tapes sitting around that you don't want, they're taking up space in the closet, let us know. We like VHS tapes. If we have any, I don't know if there's any I can part with in these.
I don't know.
They're all at least worth trying.
Yeah.
Okay, so you probably don't get any of these, but
Unless you're really nice.
those are really nice.
Then, you might.
Because there's nowhere else you'll be able to find any copies of these mass-produced movies. But anyway, get out, have fun, watch some VHS
Wouldn't
tapes.
they be staying in if they're watching VHS tapes?
Stay in, get out, just have fun in life, live it a little bit. Time to sign off. We'll catch you next video. Yo, later. Okay.